Hello, third graders. Welcome to our lesson today on the Southeast region. So we have learned that the United States is broken up into 5 regions, and we are going to focus today on the Southeast, which is this orange set down here. Remember, our states here are West Virginia, Virginia, Kentucky, Arkansas, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and Florida. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the land and the water. After we are finished with our section today, you are going to answer some true-false questions. You do not have this in front of you, so you do not need to fill in the before, but I want you to be thinking about these questions. The statements are: the upper and lower parts of the Southeast region have the same types of landforms. The Southeast region's highest landforms are the Appalachian Mountains. Rivers in the Southeast flow out to the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. The Everglades is the largest swamp in North America. So when we are finished, you will be able to say true or false. Looking at this picture here, it is about this beautiful beaches. So it says, although the Southwest is known for its beautiful beaches, there's much more to the region than just sun and fun. Mountains, valleys, beaches, swamps. The Southeast region has them all. All right, let's dive into the land and water. Grab your reading packet because we're going to highlight or underline a couple parts to remember. The first thing you're going to see are the 12 states in the Southeast region. We have already marked these on our map, but here they are again. Georgia is actually the largest state in the Southeast for land, but Florida has the most people. So just a little fun fact here. All right, follow along with me and I will tell you some parts to highlight or mark on your packet. The Southeast region is a region of both lowlands and highlands. The upper part and the lower part of Southeast region have very different landforms. The states in the upper part of the region have rolling hills, rich river valleys, and high flat areas called plateaus. The states in the lower part of the region have beaches, swamps, and wetlands. So we're talking upper part, meaning West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, Virginia, Arkansas, have these hills, valleys, and plateaus. And the lower parts, Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, have beaches, swamps, and wetlands. I would go ahead and highlight those two sentences. The states in the upper part have rolling hills, rich river valleys, and high flat areas. The states in the lower part have beaches, swamps, and wetlands. The Appalachian Mountains cover most of the upper part of the Southeast region. Some of the peaks in the Appalachian Mountains are more than 6,000 feet high. They are the Southeast region's highest landforms. You might want to highlight that sentence since that was one of our true-false questions. There are many rivers and oak and pine forests in the Appalachian Mountains. And here is a picture of the Appalachian Mountains. They are one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world. The lower part of the Southeast region is known for its beautiful sandy beaches. Along the coast, the land is mostly flat. The coast of the Southeast region includes both the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. You might want to highlight that. The low coastal plain stretches along the southeastern coast from Virginia to Louisiana. When the ocean rises each day at high tide, seawater flows into this lowland, creating many swamps. The largest and best known swamps in America are all in the Southeast. located in Virginia, North Carolina, Georgia, and Louisiana. The Everglades, a huge low wetland, covers much of southern Florida. The Okefenokee Swamp in Georgia is the largest swamp in North America. You might want to highlight that, as that is one of our true-false questions. Here is a picture of the Everglades. Many waterways flow through the flat land on the Everglades. The Everglades is the only place in the world where both alligators and crocodiles live. That's pretty crazy. The Southeast has many rivers. Most of its rivers begin in the Appalachian Mountains. The rivers flow across the coastal plain to the Atlantic Ocean or the Gulf of Mexico. You might want to highlight or underline that, as that was one of our true-false questions. The Mississippi River carries fertile soil, that means it's very rich and able to be planted, to the huge delta at the Gulf of Mexico. A delta is a triangle-shaped area at the end of a river. Delta soil is fertile and good for farming because lots of the water deposits its minerals there before heading out into the larger body. The place where the Appalachian Mountains meet the coastal plain is called the fall line. The land drops sharply at this point. As rivers flow over this drop, they form waterfalls. The falling water is used to run machines and to create electricity. And here is a picture of one of those waterfalls. Many waterfalls form where the highland of the Appalachian Mountains meets the lowland of the coastal plains. All right, so the next time I see you, we're going to talk more about the climate.